In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a web form in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll have a clean, user-friendly form that feeds responses straight into your sheet, so your data stays organized and actionable. Start by opening the Smartsheet you want to connect the form to. From the top menu, choose Forms, then Create Form. Smartsheet instantly builds a new form using your sheet's column names as fields. This gives you a solid starting point and keeps your form aligned with your underlying data. If your column names are clear and descriptive, you'll notice the form looks polished right away. Next, customize the form so it asks exactly what you need. You can add new fields by dragging elements from the left panel into the form and remove anything you don't need using the trash icon. Click any field to update its label, the question your respondents see, and include helpful guidance so people know exactly how to answer. Keep labels short and direct, and use help text for examples or formatting tips if needed. If certain responses are essential, toggle the required option to ensure those fields must be completed before submission. To streamline the experience, open the Logic tab in a field's settings and set up simple rules that show or hide questions based on previous answers. Conditional logic keeps the form shorter for each person and reduces confusion. With your question set, adjust the look and behavior of the form. For branding, you can format the background, add a company logo, and change colors if your plan includes those options on business or enterprise. Choose high contrast combinations so text stays readable. In the Settings tab, decide where new entries should appear in your sheet. At the top if you want the latest responses first, or at the bottom to keep chronological order. Customize the confirmation message people see after they submit so they know their response was received and what to expect next. Finally, choose the right security setting. Allow anyone with the link to respond for broad access, or require a Smartsheet login to restrict submissions. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner to lock in your changes. It's a good idea to try a quick test submission yourself to confirm the data lands in the correct columns. Then share the form by sending the link to your audience or embedding it where your respondents will find it. That's it. Your Smartsheet web form is ready to collect clean, structured data with minimal effort.